In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new station to your account. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then click on Stations. You should arrive at a list of your stations. To add a new one, click the button at the top of the chart. Then enter in your station's name and ID. I might say something like Team Lead for a new station, and if I want to give it an external ID, I can do that. If you don't want to add this station, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. A green save bar will appear in the box letting you know that that station was saved. To exit out of this, choose Close. And now you can see at the bottom of the chart, Team Lead has been added. That's how you can add a new station to your TeamWork 5 account. Check out the next video to learn how to view and adjust a station's information.